What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be unboxing the Crane 4 combo by Zhiyun, whatever you want to call it, whatever they call it. There it is, and let's get to this unboxing here. So this is the front of the box, and it has a nice logo on it. It has the C70 from Canon with a cinema lens on it, and the low capacity, max capacity is about, I think they say around 13 pounds or so, give or take. They don't really specify too much on it, but that's what they say. And this is the reason why I got this gimbal, because I needed something that was going to hold more than possibly the RS4 by DJI. But anyways, let's go into the side of the box. This is the right side of the box. There's a logo right there. Flip it around to the back of the box, and on the back of the box you are greeted with another logo, just basically the opposite side of what the box was showing on the front. So this is the back of the gimbal. Basically what you see, the wrist rest here, you have the secondary handle that comes with, and just the back of a C70 that's right there, and basically showing you purposefully how this gimbal can hold such a heavy camera. Now I just watched a video saying that the red Komodo X is actually heavier than the C70, so try that one on for size. On the left side of the box it says Crane 4 and combo. Let's look at the bottom of the box real quick here. Take a look. It's all the jargon, all the barcodes and whatnot for ordering. I did not open up this box at all yet, as you can tell by the sticker right here. We can already tell just by the looks of it. It has a nice case to it, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's go ahead and open up this box. Gently peel back the sticker here, and they have these little flaps on the side. We're going to pull those down. We're going to flip this back if we can. There we go. That flap's open. Sorry that we are so close. We have a tight shot here. We're going to flip this down, and we're just going to pull this straight out of the box here. Let's put this case off to the side for right now. Check out the box inside. Nothing else in the box. Put the box off to the side. Okay, so now we have the case, and the case is a semi-hard shell case on both sides. Let's take a look around the case. It says Zhiyun on the front of the case. Has these kind of cool indents. Flip it around to the side. Has double zippers, so that's nice. You could probably put a lock through here if you wanted to keep it all safe in place. Bottom of the case, side of the case right here, and then back to the front of the case right here. Flip it over to where it says Zhiyun, and let's go ahead and open up this case. So let's go ahead and unzip the case. Turn it around. Let's go ahead and pop this open here. All right, so at the top of the case, right here, we have some compartments, and let's go ahead and open up these compartments real quick. I'm trying to figure out what's inside of these compartments. Handle, side handle up on top. Okay, let's put that off to the side. Some cables meant for the different connections for your gimbal to your camera. So whatever type of camera insert that you have for each cable, it looks like USB-C to micro USB. It looks like possible micro USB to another micro USB or USB-C, and USB-C to a USB, and then you have the diffuser for your light that's actually connected to your gimbal, so that's going to come in handy as well. So you have all these different cables inside of the little compartment. Let's go ahead and open up this compartment here. Looks like you have some pamphlets. Let's go ahead and get these out of the way real quick. You can take a look at these. Crane 4, how to connect everything, things like that. Put that off to the side. Looks like just more instruction manual information that you guys can go through if you are a instructional manual type of individual. Put that off to the side, don't really need it. Go ahead and look at this guy here. It looks like it's a little QR code deal. Put that off to the side. This right here is the little lens mount that comes with your base plate that should be in here somewhere, and the screw to uplift your base plate, keep it in place properly. Some screws, and we'll get to all this stuff when we actually set this up. It's not going to be a setup video for this video, just a little unboxing for this video here. Let's go ahead and open up this last one. And here you go. You got your base plate, you got your quick release plate there, and another plate there. I think that's like the quick release, or that comes with your whole package deal right there. One more thing inside of this compartment. Just have those to make sure that you don't have any moisture going on in your product. Off to the side, anti-mold packet. What comes inside of those little compartment sleeves. I guess it's like a little wipe. Do not eat. I think it's just more dry packet kind of stuff to keep moisture out. We can take a look a little bit later on if we wanted to. There's one more thing that we missed. One more bag, and this is another base plate. It looks very similar to this one here, but it looks like it's possibly different just by the shape of it. We'll get a little bit more into detail with all of that stuff a little bit later on, but let's go ahead and get to the meat and potatoes right here. Let's go ahead and lift this foam piece up. Foam piece looks like this. It's just pretty generic. Put that off to the side. And here is your Zhiyun Crane 4. You got the wrist rest right here. You have the Zhiyun Crane 4. You have the light that's implemented on there, and then you have your fold out legs that are right there. They're all velcroed in to each of the compartments, and you can use this as a travel case. I may use this as a travel case for myself, but I think I'm going to try to get this into one of my camera bags because it's just going to solidify everything. It's going to make it a lot easier. I still have yet to try to pack this into any of my bags whatsoever, so it's all just trial and error for right now. Let's go take a look at this wrist support here, and this is going to be really nice for those people that film weddings or do all-day shoots. That's going to connect to the bottom piece of your handle down here, either here or here depending on if you're left or right-handed, and you can screw that in using that little Allen key set right there to get it in there. Put that back for now. Let's go ahead and take out the fold out legs. Now if you're familiar with the Weeble S, which I am familiar with the Weeble S because I have the Weeble S, these legs just fold out. It has a screw up on top, so that's going to pop in under here. You just kind of twist that on and you have fold out legs, and then you can go ahead later on and balance out your gimbal with the camera and everything else that's on your camera or your camera cage. That's nice. Pretty typical. Go ahead and put that back for now. And then let's go ahead and take out the gimbal itself. We got another Velcro strap right there. And there you go. So here it is, all folded up still. This is what it looks like. It's actually fairly dense for what it is. Comparative to if you understand what the Weeble S feels like, this is definitely heavier, obviously because of the battery that's inside of the handle there. You have the slot for your legs that go into there or any other mounting pole, and all this folds out via locking points here, here, and here. And I don't know if I mentioned over here too, but you have another locking point right there. So it all folds out to a gimbal. Let's go ahead and just kind of toss on the legs for now. So it just goes right in there. And again, this is not a whole setup video. I'm just kind of showing you guys what it may look like once you get it all set up. I still have to set this up for myself. So again, I'm not going to do that video right now, but you can imagine if this all set up with the camera rig on it and the diffuser on it and whatnot. So there you have it for this video. This is what it kind of looks like, semi set up in a fashion. Again, you would have some of these cables that we got over here that would connect to here to your camera to get it all set up. Let me know in the comment section down below if you want to see that video. Otherwise, I can skip over that video for you. Yeah, can't wait to get this thing rolling. I'm using this for the purpose of music videos, wedding videos, events, things of that nature. But that's what I'm using this gimbal for. Again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. That's going to end today's video. If this video gave you the information that you need, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more on this gimbal, please hit the subscribe button because we will be doing more videos on this gimbal in the near future. Thanks for watching, you guys. It's been real. Keep it real. You know what it is. Deuces.